Kakak, kita mau kemana? Jemput bunda. Oke.
Tadi kan aku jemput bunda, sekarang aku udah sampai. Oh ya, ini bunda kasih Anja headset. Aku sambil nonton ini. Udah, ini kita terus.
Rena mau? Mau? Jasmine bajunya. Jadi apa? Rena? Jasmine? Hai. Abu mana Abu? Abunya nggak ada.
Ini apa pengen ya, Bia?
Sama. Oh, ininya bawahnya.
Ada pangeran.
Pangeran mana?
Udah.
Kamu mau foto-foto ya? Dalam yuk. Ayo mulai. Berani, ya kan?
Here comes a wave meant to wash me away, a tide that is taking me under, swallowing sand with nothing to say, my voice drowned out in the thunder. but I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble whenever they try to shut me or cut me down. I won't be silenced. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. 'Cause I'll breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me. 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless.
Udah sini fotonya. Sekarang pilih-pilih ya. Bunda pasti bingung milihnya.
Now that story is ending, 'cause I cannot start to crumble. So come on and try to shut me and cut me down.
Hei. Itu apa? Kakak Lena. Coba lihat. Wow. Nggak beli boneka BTS ya? Coba lihat ya, coba lihat. Aku mau lihat bagusnya itu. Coba lihat dong. Lihat depannya. Wow, amazing.